Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Love Pakistan, Build Pakistan, and I'm me Aziz. It's been almost 12 hours, and we just start climbing, and we still have ways to go. Uh, it's been a good journey so far. We made a few stops, had a breakfast, but right now super tired, and still like I think it's a few hours before we get to the destination to get some rest, and then continue moving. It's Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning, almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and tonight is the biggest festival for the bikers in Natyagali. So we'll see you there. We just stopped the group, some sitting back there, resting. And here is my Love Pakistan, Build Pakistan. I guess I will show you the backwards. And I'm with my Goofy, my son's pillow. Say hi to Goofy. Hey Goofy. My sons love it. I'll see you in next video when we get to the destination. Right now I'm just tired, really tired. 12 hours bike ride and not enough sleep. I'll see you next video.